I've lost over 200 pounds. I'm gonna show you my favorite healthy snack swaps for junk food. I get all my healthy snack swaps from Thrive Market. If you love any type of Chex Mix, chips, anything like that, got you covered. This is Catalina Crunches Cheddar Crunch Mix and Honey Mustard Crunch Mix. They also have ranch and like a spicy kick one. These are amazing. It has protein and it's low in sugar and low in carbs. This is a new flavor for me, but these are Magic Spoon treats. This is the marshmallow one. They're kind of like a Rice Krispie treat, but high in protein and low in sugar and carbs. So let's try the marshmallow flavor. I've had the chocolate peanut butter, and then the blueberry one. Very good. I gotta say, I think the chocolate peanut butter may be my favorite, closely followed by the blueberry. All right, here's the marshmallow one. That's the one. You should smell it. It smells like incredible. I know a lot of you love granola bars, so I'm not knocking a granola bar, but sometimes they can have a lot of sugar and not really any protein. They're not offering you a lot, right? But it sounds healthy because it's granola bar. It's not. So I get these caramel almond and sea salt, 0 sugar added bars, pretty much like a granola bar. They're 140 calories, 2 grams of net carbs, and only 1 gram of sugar. And they also contain 5 grams of protein. Another good granola bar, it's a keto friendly one. It's coconut chocolate chip. These are from Munk Pack. I love all the Munk Pack bars. Check those out on Thrive Market. And then this is a new one for me. This is BTR Nation Vitality Superfood Bar. Strawberry shortcake flavor. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, the strawberry shortcake is what made me very curious about this bar. There's what it looks like. Different texture than I've ever had, but I do taste the strawberry shortcake. This is reminding me of something I've had before, but I can't. Almost kind of reminds me of Fig Newton a little bit. If you would like a healthier, lower sugar option for granola, here you go. This is vanilla raspberry granola. It's Thrive Market's own. I love this. They have all different kinds of keto granola on there, so go check that out. But this one is really good. And we talked about the Chex Mix earlier. Apparently, I got the ranch one too. I forgot. Really good. If you like candy, Thrive Market has low sugar options for candy. I went ahead and picked up the sour fruit gummies. There's a lot of great options for chips. I've found I like these. They are a chicken skin crisp. These are the barbecue season ones from Flock. Like these, they have tons of different flavors also. Kind of reminds you of pork rinds. This is a great chip option too, just like the Wisp bar. Last time I looked, I didn't see the Wisp on Thrive Market's website, but they could be back. Great chip options, but these are great chip options too, but also make really good croutons for your salad. It's called Air Cheese. I got the cheddar and the Gouda one. I bought individual packs last time. I went through all of them. Love putting these on my salads. Love cereal, but not the sugar. Gotcha there too. This is a high protein, low sugar cereal option. Catalina Crunch Cinnamon Toast is one of my favorite. Give you a chip option, but I would suggest eating beef jerky. I like to eat beef jerky in place of chips because oftentimes, guys, chips are a slider food. You can eat quite a few of those and not always feel satiated and full. But if you eat beef jerky, you're going to feel more satiated and full a lot more quickly. The Righteous Felon Beef Jerky on Thrive Market's website, some of the best you'll ever get. This isn't a snack option, but it is a good healthy swap for pasta. I got egg white noodles, and I'm going to give those a try. Thrive Market's very generous, and oftentimes with your purchase, especially if it's your first time ordering, you're going to get a free gift. They sent me some vegan mac and cheese this time. Tell me what some of your favorite healthy swaps are.